Legislative Branch Jigsaw, Group 5, Congress's Implied Powers. The Elastic Clause. Article 1, Section 8, Clause 18 of the Constitution authorizes Congress to make all laws which shall be necessary and proper for carrying into execution the express powers listed in Clauses 1 through 17. This necessary and proper clause implies that Congress has the authority to act in ways not clearly spelled out in the Constitution. As a result, Article 1, Section 8, Clause 18 is also commonly known as the Elastic Clause. Actions taken by Congress under the authority of this clause are often called implied powers. Since early in U.S. history, lawmakers and scholars have disagreed over the meaning of the term necessary and proper. Those who are suspicious of a strong federal government tend to define the Elastic Clause narrowly. These strict constructionists, first led by Thomas Jefferson, often oppose laws passed by Congress that they think are not specifically listed on the express powers. They take a very limited view on the powers given to the government by the Constitution. In contrast, loose or liberal constructionists, influenced by Alexander Hamilton, define necessary and proper in broader terms. They believe the federal government should be actively involved in finding solutions to problems and issues. They often take a more expansive view on the powers given to the federal government. The Constitution's list of express powers gives Congress the authority to pass laws governing many different areas of American life. The Elastic Clause has expanded Congress's authority even further. As a result, in the same day, representatives or senators might consider bills to revise the nation's tax code, establish a new national park, authorize spending for a new weapons system, and build new transportation networks. However, the Constitution also establishes important limitation on Congress's powers.